Okay, real talk. Stress is messing with us. It's not just in your head. It's in your shoulders, your chest, your breath. But you're not crazy. You're just overwhelmed. Let's fix that. Together. When stress hits, your brain goes into fight or flight mode. Your amygdala is on fire. Your prefrontal cortex? Offline. Translation: you feel panicked and can't think clearly. But now you know, and that's power. Stop. Right now. Shake your hands. Wiggle your toes. Name 5 things you can see. You just hijacked your brain's panic loop. That's called a pattern interrupt. Use it anytime. Let's breathe together. In for 4, hold for 4, out for 6. Again. Feel that? You just told your body, we're safe now. Breathing is the cheat code your stress never saw coming. Anxiety isn't just nerves. It's thoughts that loop like a broken song. What if, but maybe I can't. Sound familiar? Let's teach your brain a new song. You don't need a vacation. You need micro habits. Stretching 1 minute, drinking water, walking around the block. Tiny wins break big stress. Every single time. Quick challenge. Stand up. Clap your hands 10 times. Say this out loud. I am not my anxiety. I am bigger than my stress. You're rewiring your brain right now. When stress hits hard, don't wait to crash. Have a safety menu. 3 things that calm you. 3 people you can call. Keep it somewhere visible. This is your lifeline. Close your eyes. Picture your calmest place. Beach, forest, childhood memory. Go there in your mind. Feel it. Hear it. Breathe it. Your brain believes what you imagine. Feeling ashamed for being stressed makes it worse. Newsflash, being human is hard. You're not broken. You're just healing. Loudly. And that's brave. You did this. You showed up for your mind. That's not small. That's massive. Now say it in the comments. I'm choosing peace today. Hit that like if you felt anything shift. And share this with one friend who needs it. It might save their week.